In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add icons in Figma. We'll walk through a simple way to bring high quality icons into your designs using a plugin, and I'll explain what's happening at each step so you can follow along confidently. First, open Figma and click on a project you want to work with. This can be any file where you'd like to add icons such as a UI layout, a wireframe, or even just a practice canvas. Make sure the file is open in the design view so you can see your frames and layers. Next, look for the action menu at the bottom of the Figma interface. Depending on your layout, this may be represented by an icon or a small menu area. Click on that action menu to reveal additional options related to your current file and workspace. This is where Figma groups things like plugins, widgets, and other tools that extend the core functionality of the app. From that menu, choose the option labeled Plugins and Widgets. This section is where you can access tools created by the community, including icon libraries. If you don't see it right away, take a second to scan the menu carefully, as this is the gateway to adding the icon tool we'll be using. Once the Plugins and Widgets panel is open, you'll see a search bar. Click into that search field and type the word icon. This will filter the available plugins so you can quickly find tools related to icons. Typing just icon keeps things broad and ensures the plugin we need appears in the results. From the list that appears, look for Icons 8, Icons, Illustrations, Photos. This is a popular plugin that provides a large collection of icons you can insert directly into your design. Click on that plugin name to select it. If it's your first time using it, Figma may show you some basic details about what the plugin does. Now, click on the Run button. This tells Figma to launch the plugin inside your current file. After a moment, a panel or window will open, usually on the side or as a pop-up, showing the Icons 8 interface. Finally, follow the on-screen prompts inside the plugin. These prompts will guide you through searching for specific icons, choosing styles, and inserting them into your canvas. Just read each instruction carefully, select the icons you want, and place them exactly